If you're experiencing an installation loop with Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get the game installed properly. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. Check the official website for the latest specifications and compare them with your system's capabilities. Step 2. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, right-click on the game in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 3. Clear download cache. If the installation loop persists, clear the download cache of your game client. For Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads, and click on Clear Download Cache. Restart the client and try the installation again. Step 4. Disable antivirus/firewall. Sometimes, security software can interfere with game installations. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall and attempt to install the game again. Remember to re-enable your security software afterward. Step 5. Reinstall the game client. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling your game client like Steam or GOG. After reinstalling, download and install Baldur's Gate 3 again to see if the issue is resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to overcome the installation loop and enjoy your game. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.